Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about some more feature of the Exchange Admin Center. In the previous video, we have discussed about the message trace and rules, and today we are going to discuss about the remote domain, what exactly it is. So, if we are discussing about the default one, which is generated by the Microsoft, so you can see the default name is default, and the remote domain it selected as a star. It means that it is give you the whole domain which is listed or unlisted in the organization account. So its star is mentioning as for the all, and the email reply type to it's allow for external out of replies, automatic replies, automatic forward. But if you want that, I don't want to share some kind of automatically reply in a particular domain, it's up to you. You can easily create it in the remote domain. Remote domain is basically to manage the external user, or we can say the external domain, to share some or restrict some status if internal organization using it. Okay, so we can just go with the add remote domain. So for example, if I am putting the domain name like for example smtp, okay, and then a remote domain I am just putting that smtp.com, okay, for example. And if going to the next, the email reply types, that what kind of reply that you want or you want to limit for the external user. So out of office automatically reply, if you want that if somebody is create a automatically reply on their uh, mailbox, okay, or we can say the rules it's created by the organization, and you want that smtp domain user will not be able to get the out of office automatically reply when he sent the mail to the receiver. Okay, the my receiver, my organization user, not everyone. I'm just giving you the example of for my one on. This is applicable only for my domain users. Okay, so the out of the office automatically reply, if I want to put it none, that user will not be able to get the reply from my tenant. Okay, so if you want that allow internal out of office reply, external out of office reply, if you want to limit the automatically replies allow, and you want to put the forwarding automatically forwarding, that thing that's up to you, that what kind of features you want to send. If I'm putting that none, it will automatically not able to apply on your account. So okay, so I'm just giving you the next. Now is the message report. Okay, the message report is that if you are forwarding, or you are forwarding the meeting notification to the remote domain, so you can see that you can disable or enable it from there. So message report, allow delivery report, allow non delivery report, allow meeting forward notification, these things that you can easily manage it on that particular domain, that external domain. Now is the text and character set. So if you want to manage the format of the email, or we can the external domain to send the data, so you can use the rich format, or you can use the always with you can use the rich format and never. Also you want to add some mime character set, so you can easily put any of the character from there. You can add the non mime character, just giving, and you have to just save it. So these applied policies, it will automatically apply on that particular domain smtp.com, for example. So if somebody is trying to send the mail, or somebody is from the smtp domain sending a mail to my domain, that rule will automatically apply, which I have added in the remote domain section. And so you can add multiple domain over there, or you can create individual rules for the multiple domain that you don't want to forward it, you don't want to uh, automatically reply blocking for that particular domain. The accepted domain is basically for your internal domain, like if you want to create a mail for that per domain, that domain is your custom domain which you are using for sending mail and receiving mail. So the domain, like for example, I have added estpl.in, so it means that this is my the custom domain, and I have a 10 domain. I have 10 domain which is I buy from the my third party or GoDaddy other location, and I want that domain in my directory to create a mail id for sending and receiving the mail. So I can easily add it, that it will give you the accepted domain things that you can use it. If you in the accepted domain, if you want to add accepted domain functionality to use it for multiple scenarios, you want to enable the internal relay, you want that allow mail to be sent from this domain, so you can block it if you just uncheck it, so that domain will not be able to send the mail outside the organization. Okay, also internal as well. Okay, so the internal relay is basically uh, you can use for delivering the mail to non-recipient or in the office 365, or if you are using your for example a server, emailing server, and that time you required the connectivity between them to send a mail from your internal domain or internal mailing domain server. So you can use this internal delay, and after that you have to create a connector between them, then you can start sending and receiving the mail from there. Okay, thanks for the time, thanks for the watching my video, have a good day, bye bye.